Kiinni mitenkään.
Niin, en mä
Kyllä se on vaan jätetty niinku nyt ilman niin.
joskus rakennettu ja unohdettu. Tää on vedetty just joku.
Jos ei löydy, niin mulla on tossa korissa, mä toin semmonen hyvän mattovein.
Kovaa mattoa.
Katsotaan nyt, että onko tää sinne päinkään onnistumassa. Yksi mulla oli se, että mä olisin ostanut semmoista bambuusälettä aitaa, ja tiiäks?
Joo, sillä laittanut mut.
Mut sit mä siihen on vielä nyt tehnyt reikiä. No tähän ei. Mitenköhän pitäis?
Katsotaan, että tää on niinku tasainen, pistää tohon keskiin.
Joo.
Nyt se on niinku, nyt menee näitä puolikuvia.
This is why I didn't want to do this. Oh my god, se jää johonkin kiinni. Alle fucking luja.
On a broken heart, so many miles I went on a faulty start. Guilt, guilt, break, 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 drip, 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 drip. Guilt, guilt, break, 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 drip, 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 drip. I don't wanna promise too much. I don't wanna under-deliver. I am the child of a giver. All my fear piled on a hardwood floor. Somehow it keeps me here. And somehow I'm young and worn. And I don't wanna promise too much. I don't wanna under-deliver. I am the child of a giver. I wipe my eyes. I'm no one's fool. Coming out of this, I will be new. Guilt, guilt, break, 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 drip, 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 drip. Guilt, guilt, break, 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 drip, 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 drip. I don't have to promise too much. I could never under-deliver. I am the child of a giver. I am the child of guilt, guilt, break, 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 drip, 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 drip. Guilt, guilt, break, 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 drip, 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 drip.
It's a time for a little update. So on Sunday my brother was here to help me and we got so much done. It's incredible and I'm so happy. Like in a way it's like not a lot and I still have so much to do, I was starting to feel so desperate about this project, like it's never gonna happen and it's just not going anywhere. So in that sense, like we got a lot of done, and I now feel that it's finally happening, like it's finally coming together, even though it's still in the beginning, but I don't feel that hopeless anymore about it. On Sunday, me and my brother, we did the floor. I only need to do little details to it now, and I probably need to attach it somehow because the seams are a bit uneven and like wobbly. And also we got the ceiling almost done. But yeah, so what I ended up doing was to put that fabric there, and now it's still not attached all the way, so that's what I'm gonna be doing now. I didn't wanna waste time to do that with my brother because I know I can do that part alone, so we focused on just starting the ceiling and on the floor. So yeah, that's my tasks for today, is to attach the ceiling properly. But yeah, I'm like really grateful that my brother came here to help me. It just felt so much nicer to do this with someone, not just alone. So I got the ceiling and the little gaps for lights installed, so I'm quite happy. It's not perfect, and it still needs to be attached here. These are the parts that I still need to do something. I didn't have enough fabric, so I still need to figure out how I'm gonna cover those parts up. This little box I'm probably going to panel up with like wood or something. We'll see. But this is bugging me that the fabric wasn't enough for this part. I don't know, I still have like this wall, this whole area that I don't know what I'm gonna do with. But other than that, it's looking quite okay. Well, obviously these will be somehow better, but let's not think about those just now. Hello, it's Editing Tiia here. Just wanted to say quick thank you for watching this video, and if you're interested to see where this van project is going, make sure to follow this channel. I will see you next time. Bye!